We're excited today to share with you our vision for digital manufacturing for both corrugated and folding carton applications.
Today, when we talk analog to digital, it's more than just changing a step or two. It's all about adopting a digital mindset. Highcon makes equipment that does digital finishing, or more specifically, digital die cutting, which includes cutting and creasing.
Our digital finishing solutions are a catalyst that allow companies to take an entirely new approach to on-demand and short-run manufacturing.
We're at Highcon headquarters, standing right next to the Highcon Beam 2. In today's demonstration, we'll start with running a production job. It's a folding carton, ganged layout with 5 products. Okay, we're standing next to the feeder. The sheets then move on to an initial mechanical alignment and then pass through optical sensors detecting the leading edge and print marks. The sheets then move on to the Highcon Dart creasing station, where physical creases are applied to the sheet. This is where everything is controlled, the job setup, operating the tool, and we'll take a look as the sheets move on into the laser cutting station. Sheets then move on to the integrated inline stripping station, where all the internal parts and waste are brushed off the sheet and collected into waste bins situated under the sheet. The sheets are safely stacked in the stacker. Let's take a closer look and zoom in, have a good shot where we can see the laser quality. Look at the creasing lines, the uniformity. We take this and fold this. Boxes produced on Highcon are stronger than boxes produced conventionally. Some say seeing is believing. In this case, hearing is believing. Okay, hope you were able to hear that crisp sound. It's a lovely box. It's all about the unboxing experience when we use the laser for these types of laser preparations. It's just a brown corrugated box with added value by the Highcon laser cutting, something that probably a conventional die cutter could not do, placing the plastic trays with paper, making the whole cycle much simple and environmentally friendly.